not that type of metal. Today we are talking about silver. Silver is a color, an element, and a metal. There are silver fish. We eat with silverware. There are silver insects. Silver is shiny. There are silver foxes. Duct tape is silver. Nails are silver too. There are silver coins. There are silver instruments. A lot of things in houses are silver. A lot of keys are silver. Wow, this is a big key. There are silver seashells. Aluminum is a different type of metal, but it is still silver colored. There are silver moths. Lithium, magnesium, titanium, zinc, nickel, and chromium are silver colored too. There are silvery gibbons. There are silver awards. There are silver dogs. There are super fast silver trains. Paper clips are silver. There was a silver boom in the 1800s. Lots of people were looking for silver. There are silver snakes. Platinum is silver colored and super rare. It's used in fancy jewelry and watches. Disco balls are silver. There are silver minerals. These mirrors shine thanks to real silver. There's a layer of glass that makes the magic happen. Tin is silver. In the book, Dorothy wore silver shoes. Silver is the best conductor of electricity among common metals. Ooh, electricity. What? There was a silver age of comic books. There are silverback gorillas. These stainless steel beauties aren't just shiny, they're tough and non-reactive. There is silver armor and silver swords. Some people put silver on desserts. There are silver cans. Steel is strong and silver. We use it to build things. Thanks for joining me under the silver lights, darling.